For number 5 in the projectile motion section, an object is launched with an initial velocity of 50 meters per second at a launch angle of 36.9 degrees above the horizontal. What is the vertical and horizontal velocity of the object? How long will the object be in the air? What is the horizontal range of the object? So first I found the horizontal and vertical velocities of the object. So you would have 50 meters per second is your velocity at an angle of 36.9 degrees above the horizontal. So to find your vertical velocity, you would do sine of 36.9 degrees equals y over 50, and then that would give you a vertical velocity of 30 meters per second. For the horizontal velocity, you would do the cosine of 36.9 degrees equals x over 50, and that would give you a horizontal velocity of 39.98 meters per second. And then to find how long the object will be in the air, you would use the final velocity squared plus the initial velocity squared, or equals the initial velocity squared plus 2a change in x. And the final velocity would be 0 because it would be on the ground. And it would equal 30 meters per second because that was your vertical velocity. And then plus 2 times negative 10 meters per second times change in x. And change in x would end up being 45 meters. Then you can plug that in to the equation change in x equals 1/2 a times change in t squared, and you would have negative 45 meters equals 1/2 times negative 10 meters per second squared, because that's gravity, times t squared, and then t would end up equaling 3 seconds. And then to find the horizontal range of the object, you do velocity equals change in x over change in t. So your velocity is 39.98 meters per second because that is your horizontal velocity, and that would equal change in x over 3 seconds, and then you would get a horizontal range of 119.94 meters.